Come on, Lorelai.
Stuff to help predict weather. This is it. The most modern weather equipment in the world. How could they
You
put
can
this
get
weather
it.
here? They didn't have socks or pinwheels or crayons.
No.
Not even a crayon.
No picture.
I'm not taking a picture, Montega. I'm taking a video.
Lorelai.
From space. So we know where all
Well-
the clouds are. Then this computer tells us what the weather will be.
Or it would. Except that's yesterday's picture. We can't find our satellite.
Come on.
Lost your satellite? Well, space is very big.
And now the mayor's coming by to see if he can play golf today. He hates getting caught in the rain.
Here, I wonder. Lorelai.
Without satellite data, our computer can't forecast. It's just absolutely hopeless.
What? Where is he going so much?
Are you gonna get it?
I think he wants to predict the weather for you. There were storm
He keeps having to look at Montega. Careful, Montega. Don't kick her.
Shush. No.
Good job. Good job, baby.
Mwah.